Let's refine our event title to encapsulate the spirit of what we are building, Sarah suggests, her creativity flowing as she envisions potential names. Something that conveys the essence of togetherness and shared experiences, like celebrating our journeys or voices of unity. The chat lights up with suggestions as the group eagerly brainstorms titles, each one more inspiring than the last. What if we asked everyone to contribute suggestions, ensuring every voice shapes our narrative? Sarah adds, feeling a surge of collective energy. This process itself can pave the way for deeper engagement, allowing everyone to feel a part of this initiative. The participants latch onto the idea, excitedly sharing their thoughts, creating an atmosphere of collaboration. We can even create a poll to finalize the title, she proposes, envisioning how community involvement will strengthen their bond. Let's make sure we highlight the heart of our mission, connecting through storytelling and celebrating each other. Wonderful suggestions, everyone. I can already feel the excitement building, Sarah exclaims, her voice radiating positivity as she scrolls through the key ideas. Let's take those concepts and form a meaningful poll that reflects our shared vision, something that encapsulates the essence of our narratives. The group responds enthusiastically, contributing title options like Tales of Togetherness and Stories that Inspire. Each suggestion illuminates the unique perspectives we bring to our community, she notes, appreciating the diversity of thoughts. This inclusive approach will create an event that truly resonates with every one of you. As participants chime in, Sarah smiles, recognizing the connection solidifying between them. Let's also ensure we promote this event within our broader circles, she encourages. The more stories we gather, the richer our tapestry will be. The chat buzzes with energy as plans take shape to reach potential new participants, each adding their unique color to their growing narrative. Now that we have ideas for our title, let's consider how we can visually present our stories, Sarah suggests, enthusiasm bubbling in her voice. What if we integrate multimedia elements like short videos, collages, or even live art during the event to enhance engagement? The chat explodes with excitement as participants embrace the concept, eager to brainstorm creative formats that will amplify their shared narratives. Visual storytelling could captivate our audience and emphasize the rich diversity of our experiences, she continues, painting a vivid picture of the event ambiance. Imagine participants showcasing personal artwork or sharing their journey through powerful imagery. The chat is alive with participants proposing their own artistic ideas, each one building upon Sarah's initial vision. This could evolve into a sensory experience, where each story resonates not just through words, but also through visuals that evoke emotions, she encourages, her heart swelling with pride at their collaboration. Let's think about how we can incorporate live music as well, adding another layer to our event. Sarah's excitement is infectious as she dreams up scenarios where creative expression intertwines with shared stories and music enhances the overall atmosphere. The chat buzzes as attendees offer suggestions for musical themes, performance spots, and ways to involve local artists, enriching the event's offerings. We can truly create an immersive environment that fosters deep connections and celebrates our community's diverse narratives, she remarks, her vision coalescing into something truly impactful. Let's ensure that the entire experience reflects our shared mission of unity and connection. Ideas flow, each one adding more vibrancy to their collective plan, and Sarah feels the thread of their shared commitment weaving tighter. Together, we'll not only share our journeys, but also honor the creative spirit that resides within every one of us, she affirms, her determination palpable as she leads the charge towards making their event a treasured memory. Next, let's dedicate a portion of our event to discussing how to maintain the connections we forge here, Sarah suggests, sensing a shared desire for ongoing support. We can brainstorm ways to create follow-up opportunities, ensuring the momentum continues beyond the event. The chat resonates with agreement as participants express excitement about developing a continuous dialogue. Whether through monthly gatherings or dedicated online platforms, keeping our stories alive will reinforce our bonds, she adds, envisioning the pathways they can cultivate. Let's form small groups that meet regularly, where we can share our progress and uplift one another. As the ideas flow, she feels a sense of unity blooming, knowing this initiative holds the potential for lasting impact. Absolutely, ongoing support is essential for our growth, one participant chimes in, echoing Sarah's sentiment. How about establishing a dedicated online forum where we can share updates, resources, and continue discussions? The chat bursts with enthusiasm, many quickly adding their thoughts on fostering dialogue and support beyond the event. We could even feature a monthly spotlight on someone's journey, celebrating individual progress while inspiring others, another voices, building upon the shared vision. This would weave individual narratives into our community's fabric, ensuring everyone feels valued. Sarah's heart races with excitement, thrilled at the depth of connection blooming in the chat. That's a fantastic idea! Highlighting individual stories can keep our community engaged and inspired. A flurry of responses ensues, participants brainstorming ways to feature these spotlights creatively, perhaps through blog posts, video interviews, or even podcasts. You could create a small team to handle this initiative, ensuring it runs smoothly, one participant suggests. With collaboration, it can thrive and resonate. Sarah nods, envisioning the potential committees that could be formed from their vast pool of talents. Let's cultivate these teams based on skills and interests, empowering each group to carry forth the stories we keep alive. The chat is alive with participants eager to lead these initiatives, their anticipation palpable as they explore all possibilities together. Through consistent storytelling, we can solidify our community's identity, she affirms, her passion radiating through her words. These connections will not only enhance our bonds but also empower everyone involved to reach new heights. Let's make this journey as enriching as possible. The chat reverberates with commitment, detailing plans on how to sustain their connections. And Sarah can't help but smile, grateful for their unity. Remember, this is about celebrating every step of our journeys and nurturing the relationships we cultivate, she adds, reinforcing their shared purpose. Our stories and shared commitment will create ripples of inspiration within and beyond our community. Now that we've laid a foundation for sustaining our community, let's discuss how we can celebrate our milestones together, Sarah urges, sensing the group's eagerness to continue. Perhaps we can implement regular celebration moments where we acknowledge each other's progress and achievements. The chat erupts with enthusiasm, participants excitedly sharing their thoughts on how to create meaningful celebrations. Monthly highlights could be a great way to keep our spirits high while building anticipation, one participant proposes. We could even set up an awards system, recognizing different contributions and efforts. Sarah feels her excitement reignite as she envisions a colorful array of awards, each symbolizing unique accomplishments. That's such a wonderful idea! Recognizing everyone's efforts will reinforce the value of our collaboration, she affirms, her voice brimming with gratitude. The chat flourishes with suggestions for categories: most inspiring story, most creative contribution, and best team player, each one reflecting the members' strengths. Imagine the energy of a celebratory event filled with gratitude and pride, Sarah beams, thrilled by the collective enthusiasm. Let's ensure we cultivate an atmosphere of support and recognition where every contribution is valued. She knows that these ongoing celebrations would transform their connections, making them even more robust and meaningful. We're not just building a community, we're nurturing a family that champions each other's successes. The chat continues to buzz with ideas, each suggestion fostering a deeper commitment to their vision. Let's also think about how we can share our experiences with those who couldn't attend, Sarah suggests thoughtfully, her mind racing with possibilities. We could create a highlights package that encapsulates the event's essence for everyone. A wave of agreement ripples through the chat, participants eager to ensure no one feels left out. By documenting our journey, we can inspire others and keep the momentum flowing, she continues passionately. Let's consider a dedicated social media campaign that showcases our stories beyond the event itself. Together, we've crafted a vision that extends far beyond our gathering, Sarah concludes, her heart full as she reflects on their shared journey. Our commitment will carry us forward, nurturing lifelong connections and inspiring growth within and beyond our community. Let's continue this momentum and make every moment count as we celebrate each other.